Hi there, friends. I'm going to try to remember to look right there at the camera as I talk. Okay, we are getting ready to start a new story called Animals Building Homes. And just like we do with every new story, I want to start by showing you the vocabulary cards and the vocabulary words that we will read in our new story. Now, if you want to follow along with these in your book, you do have your hard reading book at home. If you want to get it out, you would look at pages 186 and 187, or you can just look at the cards as I hold them up here on the screen. So our very first word is the word shaped. And it says on the front of the card, have you ever seen a home shaped like this? It is curved like a ball. That's a very unusual looking home, I think. So if something is shaped, it means it is in the form of something or the shape of something. So for example, this house is shaped like a ball. It is in the form of a ball or the shape of a ball. So shaped means that it is in the form of something or it's in the shape of something, okay? Now, our next vocabulary word that goes along with our story is the word branches. Here we have a nice sloth hanging here. It says, tree branches high above the ground are a good home for a sloth. Branches are tree parts that grow from a tree's trunk. So think about the trunk that's in the middle of the tree, kind of like the body of the tree. The branches would be what grows out of the tree trunk, kind of like arms that grow out of a tree. So branches are the tree parts that grow out from a tree's trunk. And we have the word pond. We have some turtles here. Turtles make their home in a pond or small lake. A pond is water that is smaller than a lake. So it's a body of water that is smaller than a lake. And we have the word beaks. Here's our bird beaks right here. It says these birds use their beaks to build their home. Now, if you look, the beaks are right here at the ends of the birds' faces. They are the hard, pointed parts of birds' mouths. So beaks are the hard, pointed parts of a bird's mouth. And we have the word deepest. The deepest part of the ocean is this eel's home. That's an eel right there in the picture. If something is the deepest, it means it is the farthest down or the farthest deep from the surface. So think about in a swimming pool, you have the top of the water. And how deep the pool is would be all the way down to the very bottom of the water. Like the part where you stand on in the swimming pool, if the swimming pool is this pool that you can stand on. So deep is how far down the water goes from the very top to the very bottom. It could be just a little deep, or it could be a lot deep and you can't even touch the bottom. Another vocabulary word is the word break. This home won't break. It's made of strong rock. Here's our panda bear in his home made of rock, like a cave. The word break means if you break something, you make it go into two or more pieces. Like maybe you bend it or you twist it or you snap it. If it breaks, it comes apart into two or more pieces. We have the word hang. These bats hang upside down in their cave. Picture of the bats right here hanging upside down by their feet. If something can hang, it means it is attached to something else at the top and it does not touch the ground. So if you look at these bats right here, they are hanging. They are attached at the top and they don't touch the ground. There's nothing that they're touching underneath them. Okay, so they're hooked at the top and they're not touching underneath because they're hanging. And then last but not least, we have the word winding. Some animal homes have long winding tunnels that twist and turn. If you look, here's pictures of some animal homes with tunnels underground. If something is winding, it means it goes one way and then the next way and then the next way. It just keeps twisting and turning. So winding means it moves one way and then another way, or it twists and turns a lot, okay? So those are our vocabulary words for our new story. You can look at them in your book too. Remember on pages 186 and 187. And I just want you to make sure that you are becoming familiar with them, because we will be taking our test on them in just a few days. No big deal. But we're going to go over them again and again. So if you need to listen to this video again, you can. Otherwise, go on to the next video so you can listen to our new story, Animals Building Homes. Okay? Bye.